Hi mga person! So for today's video, samahan niyo akong mag-prepare ng merienda sa aking dalawang fur babies. Using this silicone mat from Petcore PH and peanut butter from Best Bud. Itong peanut butter na to is especially made for cats and dogs. No salt, no preservatives, no sugar, and no xylitol ito. Kaya very safe ito for our pets. So, paunti-unti lang yung ilalagay ko kasi first time nila na makakatikim nito. This peanut butter contains protein which is essential for the growth, maintenance, and repair of tissues in the body. And para mas healthy, nag-add ako ng Silky Fur by Dr. Shiba. It nourishes the fur and hydrates the skin of our pets. And nakakatulong din ito na maging strong yung immune system nila. Then after that, nag-add din ako nitong pet cookies which is made with real beef. And the last one is itong pet biscuits which is made naman sa goat's milk and natural source of calcium and probiotics promoting both taste and health in every bite. So eto na siya mga person, ipatry na natin kila Coco and Nabi. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan nila. By the way mga person, itong leak mat is meron siyang strong suction sa ilalim which can be fixed in place during use. Pero naglagay kasi ako ng face towel sa ilalim para hindi makalat. Ang benefits nitong leak mats is it is good for their oral health and nakakatulong ito na ma-reduce yung anxiety and boredom ng ating mga fur babies. Kung gusto niyo mga person na umorder ng mga items na ginamit ko, message niyo lang po ako. Thank you for watching!